Meet the Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro 2-in-1 robot. The new NeverTouch Pro Base automatically empties debris, refills the robot water tank, and even washes and dries the mopping pad for up to 30 days of hands-free maintenance. In the box, you'll find the robot, self-empty base, ramp, side brushes, and additional accessories. Find a location for the base in a central area of your home with a strong Wi-Fi signal. Be sure not to set up the base in an area with direct sunlight. Place the base against a wall on a flat, level, hard floor surface, away from carpets and rugs. Plug the cord into a wall outlet and install the ramp, pushing until it clicks into place. The indicator light will turn green when the base is plugged in and powered on. Open the lid on the front half of the base to access the water tanks. Remove the clean water tank on the right side. If your model includes a starter bottle of cleaning solution, fill the clean water tank with this solution up to the max solution fill line. Then, fill the rest of the tank with room temperature water up to the max water fill line. Carefully reinstall the full tank onto the base. Now that the base is ready to go, it's time to set up the robot. First, locate the side brushes in the box. To install it on the bottom of the robot, align the hole in the brush over the peg on the bottom of the robot, then press down until the brush clicks into place. Place your robot on the ramp with the Shark logo facing upside down. Slide the robot up the ramp and onto the base. The robot should click into place when properly installed. Take note of the LEDs on the robot, which will illuminate in the center to show battery life and charging. While your robot charges to a sufficient battery level for cleaning, download the Shark Clean app to unlock the full functionality of the robot's cleaning features. This includes home mapping, no-go zones, scheduling, targeted cleaning missions, smart home integration, and more. Follow the instructions in the app to pair the robot. Your robot's first mission is called an Explore Run because the robot needs to learn your home. Before this first run, clear any socks, cords, toys, or other items from the floor, and open doors to any rooms you would like the robot to enter. During the Explore Run, your robot will navigate around your home while building a map. The robot simultaneously identifies carpeted areas and vacuums the floor. Once the robot returns from its Explore Run, you use this map to set up zones and create rooms in the app. Now you're ready to get cleaning with your Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 robot. If you're looking for more information or cleaning tips, visit us at sharkclean.com.